Okay, so filters nothing but a formatting data displayed to the user. Okay, filters are used for formatting data displayed to the user. Okay, so how we can express data to the user, like a string formats or date formats or number formats, so anything. So we can apply the filters for the string data types or string values, integer values. Okay, so filters can be added to the expressions by using the pipe character. Okay, so we have to use pipe character to apply the filters and followed by a filter. So after pipe character, filter name we have to use. So filter added to directives like ng repeat. Okay, so ng repeat we can use by using the pipe character and followed by a filter. So for example, uh, in products templates, okay, we can display products and its cost. The product controller. Okay, so I can create one scope object. My app dot controller. Okay, product controller and function. Okay, so product controller using scope object my products. Okay, so one object is creating. Product ID 1. Okay, and product name uh, washing machine and price. Okay, 15,000. Okay, so price. So this is one product information. Okay, like this we can add 2 more products. Product ID 2 and TV. Okay, 20,000 and another product cooker. Okay, so 5,000. So this is the product information. Okay, product information object, and this also this object is equal to JSON object. Okay, so JSON object data also should be like this. So we can use this scope object my products and display in the table format. H1 products details. Okay, and a table header tr. In the tr we can in the td product id, okay, and product name and price. Okay, so first heading, columns, and d body, okay, table body, we can display the result, okay, td. So in tr we can use ng repeat equal to product in my products, okay, product in my products, and add expression product dot, okay, product id, the second column, product dot product name, next product dot price, okay. So now it will display the table format product details. Border collapse equal to collapse, and border for the table 1 pixel solid, okay. So now run this example, okay. So in the products menu, so we have the product information, okay, we have 3 products and 3 products are displaying here. So and here, so I want to apply filters, okay. So we have the filters 9 types, okay. There are many filters in languages: uppercase, lowercase, currency filter, okay, number and date filter, and order by and filter, and angular dot upper and angular dot lower, okay. These two and first two, okay, works like works same. For example, I want to display product name in uppercase characters, okay. I want to display product name in uppercase. Total all characters will display in uppercase, okay. Use pipe character, okay, and uppercase, okay. So total product names will be in uppercase, okay. So we have these given product names in small letters, okay, but this display in uppercase. And we can add one more column, product description, okay. Okay, sample description 1. Okay, and here we can display products description also. Okay, product description. Okay, so the description is in uppercase, right? Okay, so I want to display product description in small letters. So in that scenario, we can use lowercase. Okay, so the product name and description will be in small letters. Okay, the result will be like this. Okay, so uppercase and lowercase. So uppercase filter converts the string to uppercase, and lowercase filter converts the string to lowercase. And third one is currency. Okay, so you can format the currency number as a currency. Okay, so the currency filter by default take the dollar symbol. Okay, so if you don't provide any format, so in that time you can use CSS properties. Okay, so if you want only first letter in caps, so that one also I have explained in CSS. Okay, so when no currency symbol is provided, default uh, default symbol for the current local is used. Okay, that is a dollar symbol. It is used to apply the currency formats. So in this example, okay, so price. Okay, so only value is displaying. Okay, 15,000, 20,000, 5,000. But I want to display currency symbol for this amount. Okay, so we can use currency. Okay, currency as a filter. Okay, pipe character and currency. Okay, so if we use this filter, okay, only currency, so it will take dollar symbol for the amount. Okay, and it converts to amount format. Okay, before it is displaying only 15,000. Okay, 15 without any commas. Okay, and symbols. Okay, only number is displaying, but this is converted to amount. Okay, and if you want to display Indian rupee symbol, okay, so there is some HTML format is there for the currency. Okay, so this is the format to display Indian rupee symbol. Okay, if you want to display another country's format, you can search in Google for the HTML like HTML syntax for the currency symbols. Okay, so it is displaying Indian rupee symbol. So this is the currency symbol, currency filter. And next one is number. So format a number as a text and the input is null or undefined. It will just be returned. If the input is infinite, the infinite symbol is returned. Okay, and if the input is not a number, an empty string is returned. Okay, if the input is not a number, an empty string is returned. Here you can take one more column, Mm, number of product reviews, number of reviews. So here, otherwise, any number. Okay, so just to test column. Okay, and number in the decimal format. Okay, so here after that five numbers is there. Test column. Proc dot test. Okay, and number. Okay, for number filters use number. Okay, so number. So the result will be like this. Okay, so number format is applied. Okay, so after 3 points, okay, three numbers is displayed. Okay, this is converted into amount, and after point it will display three numbers. Okay, we can specify the number also if you want to display how many number of integers after that. Okay, so 4. Okay, so here display 4. Okay, and if you don't want to display uh, values after the dot, use 0. Okay, so only number is displayed in the amount. So this is the number format. Okay, so without any fractions it will display use number colon 0. And if you don't want, if you want to display after fraction uh, number colon and value. Okay, and negative numbers we can use like this. We directly use minus for the negative numbers. Okay, So native numbers will display like this. And next one is date format. So formats date to a string based on the requested format. Okay, so here we can display full date format, or we can display only year, or we can display only month, or we can display only day. Okay, or we can display month, date, year. Okay, date, month, year, month, date. So number of formats we can provide. Okay, we can apply for the date field. Product released. Okay, product release done. So date format is 2016 6 and 12. Okay, product release date. Okay, so here is the product release dates. So we can apply date formats. Okay, date filters for this column. Okay, product release date. Product dot the column name, release done, and a date filter. Okay, so normal date. So if you use this, okay, date filter, so the result will be like this. Okay, June 12 2016, August 23 2014, March 26 2017. Okay, so the format is by default format will display like this. And if you want to apply, if you want to display full date format, okay, full date. So the result will display like this. Okay, so with the day also is displayed Sunday, Saturday, and Sunday. Okay, the June 12 is Sunday, and August 23 is Saturday, and again Sunday. Okay, so this is Friday. And full day format will be like this. And if you want to display only year, okay, only year, so you can use year format. Okay, year. Okay, only 2016, 14, 17 is displayed. If you want to display only date, use DD. Okay, and if you want to display only month, use caps mm. Okay, so only numbers is displayed. If you want to display full date like March, April, May, So use 4 M's. Okay, June, August and March. And if you want to apply current custom date filter, okay, so you can use this filter. Okay, so year and month, okay, and a day. Year, month. Okay, so here 2 columns is there. Okay, DD. Okay, so it will display day, year 2016, month June, and day Sunday. Okay, this is custom date formats. Okay, you can specify individual year, month, day. Okay, and the time also you can display if you have time here. And another filter is order by filter. Okay, so we can provide the order by, okay, like ascending order, descending order for the products. Okay, so based on the column names like a product ID or product name. So order is specified array by the expression predicate. So it is ordered alphabetically for strings and numerically for numbers. So here we can provide the pipe character in the ng repeat. Okay, and order by product name. Okay, column name. So ascending order like C first and after T and finally washing machine. Okay, so the order by is based on product name. Okay, now product numbers are 3 to 1. Okay, so this is the order by filter. So based on product column name you can provide. So by product ID or product name or product description also, or in price also you can provide price. Okay, so first 5,000, తర్వాత 15, the next 20,000. Okay, in ascending order it will display. Next filter. So filter is a filter in the filters. Okay, so selects a subset of items from array and returns it as a new array. So for example, you want to provide search for the number of products. Okay, So for example, in your application, okay, thousands of products is there. Okay, you want to mm, search for the particular product. Okay, you want to search for the particular product. So here you can provide text box. Okay, so when you type that product name in the text box, it will filter the product from thousands of products and display that product in the table format. Input type equal to text placeholder search for products. Okay, search for products and ng model. So ng model equal to product name, otherwise search name. So here in ng repeat, okay, in ng repeat use another pipe character and filter, okay, and product name. Okay, so what you type in the text box, okay, so whatever you type in the text box, okay, the product name will search it in the list. Okay, search for the search for this product, okay, from this object and display that product in the table format. Okay, this filter. So whatever you type in the text box, okay, product name, the product name is taken the filter, okay, through ng model variable. Okay, model variable, that is a scope variable. So this scope variable, based on the scope variable, filter search for the products from the list of products, and if product is find, the product will display here, otherwise the empty rows is displayed. Okay, so I want to filter the TV. Okay, so when you type the text product name, the filter, okay, filter the products and display the result, appropriate result. Okay, cooker and so washing machine. So like this you can search the products. So the response also immediate. Okay, immediately response. And this angular upper and angular lower also same as uppercase and lowercase. Okay, but here we can provide angular dot upper method. So these are methods. Okay, and these are filters. Okay, filters in the expression. And next, the most important thing is HTTP service. Okay, so for example, when you are calling the service to read the data from the database, okay, so compulsory we have to use $HTTP, okay, HTTP service to read the data from the service, okay, from the database through service. Okay, in real-time applications also, so they will give service to read the data from the database to display the data to the user. So we have to use that service and read the data using HTTP service. The HTTP service is a core Angular service that facilitates communicate with the remote HTTP servers and via browser's XML HTTP request. So the return object is JSON format. Okay, the result will be in JSON format. So for example, I have this example service, okay, public service. So if you open this service in the browser, okay, so this is the JSON format result. Okay, so this service returning the result India states information. Okay, so Andhra Pradesh and capital and the largest city, okay, and state area. Okay, so maximum some states information is there. Okay, Andhra Pradesh, Arunachal Pradesh, Assam, okay, and Bihar. So like this. So the country and the name and state abbreviation and state area in kilometers and a largest city in the state and state capital. Okay, so for all the states, same information. And we want to read that in this information and display that result information in the table format. Okay, so I want to display the states information in location2.html form. Okay, this template. States information. Just first of all, open this location to controller. My app.controller. Okay, function. Okay, so this is the HTTP service. Okay, to read the data from the database. And if you want to use HTTP service, compulsory we need to initialize this HTTP service, okay, public variable in the function. Okay, $HTTP. Okay, not here. Okay, so in the location to controller, okay, compulsory we have to initialize this HTTP service. Okay, HTTP public variable, public variable in the function. Okay, before you use these services like this, okay, compulsory we need to initialize. Okay, nothing but in AngularJS we have to inject this service in the function. So when you click on the button, you want to display states information like right, type equal to button and value equal to display states info and ng click equal to function states info. Okay, so this is the function name. So when you click on this button, this function is executed. Scope dot function. Okay, so in that function we have to use HTTP service. Okay, okay, otherwise I can write the First of all, $http dot, okay, get method, okay, http dot get, and in the get function use this service. Okay, so if the result is successfully get, okay, success function, okay, response, okay, if any errors is there, to read the data, error function. Okay, so for every service, okay, success function and error function both are there. So here, if successfully read the data, okay, without any errors, my states is the object, and response dot, here you can find one more thing. So this is the main, okay, main object, rest response. In this rest response we have the result object. Okay, in this result object we have the all states information. Okay, to read all these states information, okay, we have to call the result, okay, rest response dot rest result, response dot result. Okay, so now the total states information will be stored in my states scope object. Okay, if any errors is there, uh, the result is goes to error function and display the error. If any error is there, can display the result in alert box. Okay, error dot message. And again, here I want to display only states information. Okay, state name, okay, state name and abbreviation. So I want to display only state name and abbreviation. The table format, you can use these styles. TR, TD, abbreviation. Okay, abbreviation and state name. Okay, these two I want to display. Here ng repeat we can use. Ng repeat equal to states in my states. Okay, states in my states, states dot abbreviation, and td states dot name. Okay, so now when you click on this button, the result will display in the table format. Okay, number of cities, states. So click on this button. So all states information is displayed here. Okay, using this service. Okay, in real time also same. So they will give the services to read the data from the database. Okay, and you have to call this service. Okay, you have to work on this service, and after that the appropriate result. Okay, the output will display. Okay, so like this. Okay, so this is the HTTP service example. Okay, this is also very important concept in AngularJS. Okay, so without knowing this HTTP service, you cannot use queue service. So queue service is better than HTTP service. Okay, and next I want to uh, click on this state name. Okay, so here I want to add the anchor tags for this state names. When you click on the particular state name, okay, it will redirect to another template. Okay, location 3. Okay, it will redirect to another template, that is local location 3. And in that template, I want to display only states information. State information nothing but area, largest city, and capital. Okay, so that is our assignment. Okay, otherwise I will tell you. Just use anchor tags for the state names. Okay, and href equal to hash location 3. Okay, location 3 and slash states dot name. Okay, so here we are passing the parameter. Okay, that is nothing but query strings. So we can add one more template. Location 3 dot location 3 states full information in the table format. Okay, so what we can display, area, largest city, and capital. Area, here we can remove this. and largest city and capital. The capital states full info. Okay, so now we are passing the parameter. Okay, and here we have to provide the URL routing for the location 3. Okay, location 3 and template URL location 3.html. Okay, controller also location 3. Okay, and here in the location 3 we can find query strings. Okay, like state name. Okay, and one more controller we can use, myapp dot controller scope $HTTP. Okay, and where state name equal to, so here another one we can use here, that is root params. Root params. So root params variable takes the root parameters. Okay, that is string. It will catch the query string values. Root parameters dot state name. Okay, st name. Okay, and after that we can use this service. Okay, so this is the service to get the individual states. Okay, state name. Okay, so here we are passing okay query string as a state name as a query string. Okay, so this query string is coming from the URL okay location 3 slash state name. This is the query string value. So here the query string state name will be there, and that state name is getting the state name here, the controller, and searching for the selected state name, and after that states info. So when you click on this button, so total result is displayed like this. Okay, when you click on this Andhra Pradesh, okay, so the URL is changed to location 3 and slash Andhra Pradesh. Okay, this is the query string, and we are getting this query string and getting the appropriate result. Okay, Andhra Pradesh area, largest city and capital. Area, largest city and capital. Okay, here we have not provided the capital. State dot capital. Not here. In location 3. Okay, state dot capital. Okay, so now Hyderabad, India is also coming. Again, you can click on Bihar or Assam, anything. Okay, so there is no larger city in the Bihar. In Bihar, so there is no option for the larger city. Okay, only capital is there and area is there. If you go to another city, another state, Goa, okay, here also no larger city. And Gujarat, so here Ahmedabad and Gandhinagar. So like this you can find out the appropriate result, okay, by using query string. So like this we have to pass the query strings from one page to another page. Okay,